Yep, it's me, Jenny B, and today I'm doing something a little different. I am actually prepping my lunches for the week. I rarely do this, and if I do, it's always all the same thing, and I'm super sick of it. I am on Weight Watchers, so I'm trying to lose 50 pounds actually, and I'm down on 10. So woohoo! So I am being on track. I actually lost that during the holidays, which is amazing. So I'm prepping my lunch. I figured I'd walk you through what I did. So I'll show you the ingredients right now. This is what I am using. So instead of explaining all the packages, I am just going to walk you through what I packed. So here we go. Okay, here are my lunches for the week. I work 4 days a week as a hairstylist, so I'm Wednesday through Saturday. So I have 4 lunches all prepped. What you saw was 4 of these containers all lined up, but my husband pointed out it'll be kind of hard to heat up this with the vegetables, so replant. Okay, so that does look yummy. Okay, so we'll start with these 2. So here we go. My husband grabbed a big thing of sushi at Costco. So I'm very excited. This will be very yummy. So I have my cucumbers and carrots in here. So that is 0 points with Weight Watchers. 6 of these little rolls is 8 points. And I have some soy sauce. I'll use a little bit of it, so it should end up to be 0 points. I believe it is 0 points. I have to double check on that. But so that is 1 lunch. And then I'm going to grab an apple and some fruit to go with it, so which is also 0 points. So I have an 8-point lunch all set up for one of my days. And then another lunch, I have a tuna packet. This Tuna Creations. I love these little packets because there's nothing to drain. And tuna is 0 points on the Weight Watchers plan. So, and this has some flavoring in it. And I've scanned this one before, and it is 0. So 0 points for the tuna packet. And I believe the rice cake is 2 points for one. Or is it 1 point each? It would have helped if I looked. I'll have a correction on below what it really is, but I believe it's either 1 or 2 points. This is, in my little container, I have some, whoa, I'll throw it, Best Foods light mayonnaise. So I put a tablespoon in here, roughly a tablespoon, so I can mix this with my tuna. And I have 1 point tuna salad. And then my cucumber and carrots is my vegetable of choice this week. So this is 0 points for the vegetables. And usually I'll eat some carrots during the day with my lunch. I'll probably eat all these. And I like to snack on these on my way home so I'm not starving when I get home. So that is what I do with my cucumbers. And it's been great because it's giving me a little crunch. It's refreshing. Oh, I love it. So I have this all set up. I just cut this in half with a big knife. And it worked good. So there's 1 lunch, and I have a bunch of apples. See, there they are behind all my, those are my husband's, not mine, behind my apples. Ah, yummy. So here we go. So then the other 2 days, so I'll mix it up so I'm not eating this 2 days in a row. So I have my cucumbers and carrots in 2 packages. So I just have to hunt down my lids. So I have 1 of these each to go with my meals. And this mixture that doesn't look very appetizing all like this, I'm gonna heat it up in the microwave at work and stir it up. This is, I portioned this out. I got this at Rayleigh's, and it is actually 0 points on the Weight Watchers plans. It's 35 calories, so that means there's not much oils and good stuff in it. It's just rice, broccoli, and cauliflower. I'm so excited to try it. There's the details on the package. So this I scanned on my Weight Watchers app, and it was 0 points. I'm so excited for that. I hope it's good. And this, I got a bunch of them at Costco. I've seen them in the grocery stores too, individually packed. It is the original Madras lentils, and I love lentils, so I think this would be good. And I love Indian food, so this will be great. And this is 2 points for a serving. So I put half packet each in these containers, and I got 2 lunches, and my husband helped weigh it out. He's so helpful. So that is it. That is my lunches, and I'm very excited for the week. So I have Tuesdays off now, and this will be one of my routines is to prep for the week. So if you want to see more of these, comment below. Thank you so much. Have a good week. Eat healthy. Enjoy what you're eating, and toodaloo.